I went to a rave that you guys might have seen. This guy named Yosuke. He had an incredible boiler room set. Okay, here. I'm just gonna start off right here. As far as yeah, I went to a raid in the middle of Shibuya Scramble. Okay. Um there was a set that came out that was like super poppin'. Okay. This boiler room set went like nutty mode. It went super viral on Twitter and all over. Like this was people are saying this is one of the best boiler room sets of all time. Here, I'll just show it to you right real quick. So, that's a new friend of the show. Straight up. He just DM'd me last night. Um, but that's what I did. We went to a secondhand store. I got an insane find last night off camera. Just an insane find. I'm gonna show you the jacket in a second. You guys are gonna literally nut. Okay, straightforward. Like I'm not joking, even in a little bit. I'm not joking, even a little bit, dude. The jacket I copped, the jacket I copped yesterday is absolutely bananas. Then after that, Will's like, March sends us a text message. March goes, once in a lifetime opportunity. This guy, Yosuke, is Yosuke Yukimatsu is literally shutting down Shibuya right now, the corner of Shibuya. He's doing a rave. He's doing a rave on the corner of the Shibuya Scramble, and he's doing it for a protest rave, and they're literally it's a climate protest. And I was like, dude, that's amazing. That's like normally my back is hurting or whatever, but for me, I was like, this is right in my freaking wheelhouse. I'm doing it. So we went there. Like Will literally ran ahead of the group. He was like, oh, fuck you guys. I'm going. And I was like, Will, you don't understand. This is like in my wheelhouse. This is my people. And it was. It was a literally Hasanabe Head Japan gathering. It was crazy. It was so funny. But this is what it looked like. This lady, look at this drill, baby drill instead of the earth. Probably nothing inside though. So it was sick. There's like a robust Palestinian resistance out here, which I am very excited to link up with as well. I'm fascinated by how people who are political operate in other countries. Like you don't have to be a Hasanabe head. You know what I mean? I just want to know like, are you like I want to know like it's almost like a day in the life. Like that one guy who does the day in the life videos, but like political style, where I'm fascinated by seeing like the pro-Palestinian movement there. There was obviously the pro-Israeli people there as well at that protest in the back. It's all old people. What is this? Mr. Iceland, most decisive face fan. What are you guys talking about? What you guys are just like having a like back and forth fight in the chat? What's happening? Anyway, yeah, I hit up the protest rave guys as well. But they set it up the whole day. They did a climate like change protest the entire day and the entire night basically. It's cool though cuz like they're anti-capitalist. They are pro-climate. I guess this was the lady who was speaking. Lily Anono? Hold on, let me see if I can find it. I wanna Her name, she's a social and climate justice communicator, a model, and neurodivergent. DM her. Is she know political location? No, for me, I'm trying to find the organizers and like link up with them. I wanna maybe talk to Yusuke as well. This guy. For the past 3 months, Yusuke Furusawa has been demonstrating on the streets of Tokyo in a ceasefire in Gaza. Although he is alone, the activist mobilizes every day with his banner. Like, there are a lot of unique and very fascinating, like, pro Gaza people in Japan, and I want to talk to them. I want to see what's up. There's a protest at the Israeli embassy on Monday as well. I did talk to some people. When I was out here. Like a fan came up, gave me some really cool stuff, like free Gaza, free Palestine stuff, and he told me that the Japanese government might deport me if I go to the pro-Israeli, or not pro-Israeli, the protest at the Israeli consulate, which I took as a challenge. Apparently, like if you engage in political agitation as a foreigner, they consider it like a deportable offense. Which is amazing. I love that. I mean, I don't love that. Like, I wouldn't want to get deported, but I do love the. Like, I want to see what it's about. Could you just not go as a journalist? I mean, they might have different press restrictions as well. That might be something even more illegal technically, because it's like I'm in between. Like, I have obvious American political, like American freedom of press, at least as far as it exists, both in theory and in practice for the duration of the Burger Reich, before Donald Trump takes it away completely, implies that I kind of can live in this in between where I am simultaneously not a journalist, but also can be a journalist. Like, I don't need to do like licensing or restrictions. Like in other countries, if you want to do press stuff, you have to get licenses. You have to get the appropriate badges. You have to work for, whichever news company you have to work for. And I'm saying, like, I don't even know what I I'm unfamiliar with the Japanese press process, so it doesn't fly. I can't tell the Japanese government that I'm a press person, because then they'd be like, okay, well then you can't do press shit as foreign press without a license. Does that make sense? And because I'm in between as someone who can both identify as press and someone who can, do influencer stuff, and I do both, um, I I think it's entirely in the hands of the Japanese government if they wanted to move forward with something like that. Yeah, journalism is very sanctioned in Japan and also controlled by the government. Don't do stupid stuff like pretending. No, no, no. I wouldn't be pretending to do press. I think there is real journalism in terms of like interviewing. Uh, don't worry about it. I'm just saying I will go to a protest, but like I will go to a protest, but who knows? Do you see what I'm saying? Like, who knows what